Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Alan in the kitchen. I will be going to the loft in a little while. The postman's dropped off this rather large box. It's come all the way from New Zealand by Avion, by air mail. It's come from a subscriber by the name of Bruce in New Zealand. Thank you, Bruce. I haven't really unpacked it yet. I've just had a look inside. There's meant to be 27 items in here, so let me get it open and I will report back with my findings. Look at this lot. Well, here we go. There's two lovely bottles of scenic materials, coarse turf and blended turf. That's amazing. The postage alone was nearly £25, so I had a really bad year last year, and this is making up. Well, it just makes me realise how many lovely people there are out there. So I'll carry on unboxing this, unpacking this box. Here is some like extra long grass. I gather you chop this to length. And we've got flowering packs, I think, or fruit it says, and yeah, I gather you sprinkle this on to make it look like it's in bloom. So more detail, yeah, more static detail. Is that right? If I'm not mistaken, that's a Hillman Imp and a Mark II transit van. A bag of seat and benches, enough probably to do all my stations. The odd seats, they are of all different kinds as well. That's a bag of seats. 2 plate bridges. This looks like a bridge pack that you make up yourself. That's a single occupational bridge. I can't remember who makes that. And this is a culvert. Wow, what a selection of gear. A nice selection of line side huts and some kits from a magazine. Ratio kits. I've already got one of those market barrows, so there's 2 of them. I might have that as well. And a coal merchant's hut. Excellent stuff. So there's that's some nice things for the layout. A small inspection pit or ash pit, one of the two. Yeah, that's cool. That'd be in my siding somewhere. There's a selection of electrical things. Another switch, a yard lamps, and a yard lamp kit. So, wow. These are handmade. They're timber stacks, stacks of wood timber. They're all handmade with some rather fine sticks, so they're either wagon loads or a timber yard. So yeah, they're lovely. There's hours of work gone into these because they're actually handmade. Look, that's very nice. That is why I like things like that. That's too much. This is a 2 rail level crossing, which I will be using when I am going to make a board up for my grandson so he can have a railway in his bedroom. So yes, that will be on his railway. It's cool. And the last thing out of the box is a 6-wheel Palethorpe's Royal Cambridge sausage wagon. I'm going to get this out. Hang on. There we go, my first 6-wheel closed van. Bruce, what can I say, mate? I almost brought tears to my eyes to see this in the box, all these things. I had a really bad year last year, and well, I won't go into it, but my life ended basically. And then the gratitude shown by the model railway community has just bowls me over. Yeah, almost tears in my eyes. Wonderful. Thanks, Bruce. You will see this. You will see this running on the railway. This is going to get some stick, as we say down in Kent. I'm going to give it some stick. Yeah, that is a gorgeously smooth running wagon. Right. Okay, let me take you up into the loft. Bruce, I'm choked, mate. I'm really choked, and thanks. Just thanks. Well, welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Al in the loft. And we're just going to have a bit of a running session and maybe a bit more static grassing. There's that one. Right, got some more trains running. Got the terrier on the boiler run. There she goes. Right, come on Ginty, where are you? Is this the one? Yeah. We've got the pale floor sausages going. Well, I've had quite a few derailments with that today, so maybe she needs a bit of a grease up. I am a little bit happier with my static grass. Yeah, it'll do for now. Oh look, we've got trains coming from everywhere. I've got 4 lines running today. I think there's one. Oh, there she comes again. It's that lovely little terrier. Delivering the boiler. Oh, I can hear something coming. It's got to be that. What is it? Oh yeah, it's the depot N2 pulling the tanker train. Oh, nearly got me. I don't know where Ginty's got to. Ginty, where are you? Oh, is that wheels off? Oh, a bit like buses, you get 2 at once. Come on Ginty, where are you? It's taken forever for you to get round, where are you? I'll have to time you, I reckon that must be about 1 minute 20 for you to get round at that speed. Anything else? Oh, I can hear something coming. I think it might be that terrier. Where are you? There's too much to keep your eyes on. No, there's nothing coming. Hang on. Oh. Ah. Too many trains at once. Right. I've taken the Bruce, I've taken the pale sausages off simply because every other time she goes round she comes off, but I noticed this centre bogie here is a bit stiff in places, so I'll have a look at her. Maybe a bit of Vaseline or something might help here. So any trains coming? Yes. Now I'm going to go up some more scenery now. Oh, come on terrier. She's delivering that boiler. No fuss Ginty with my new mail coach there. Oh, followed by the S15. Oh dearie me, it's so busy. Anything else coming? Where are you, man? Oh, here comes the terrier with the boiler. That's cool. And I've just noticed the milk train coming. Here she comes. Here we go again then. I bet my hand's in the way of the camera. I bet. always seems to be in the way. Well, you're used to my rubber shield photography, aren't you? You must be by now, unless it's your first time here. If it is, hello. A little while ago I was dreading the static grass. Now with my last two goes, especially the last go, getting the grass to stand up lovely, I'm kind of getting into it now. Can't stop me now. Look at him go. Nice and gently. Oh yes. There we go, static grass attempt number 3 with a few clumps of turf. So see what that looks like in the morning. Well, that's about it from Buckland Junction. I've had another good go on the static gun. And am I happy? Yes, I think so. Anyway, I'm normally watching the trains and not the scenery, so what do you reckon? This is attempt number 4. Oh, I'm alright with that. Oh yeah, something's off. Something is off. Oh, the milk train. Yes, you've had a bit of a mishap. There's a crash on the other side of the layout because one of the depot oil tankers have gone missing and the brake van, I think. So I better stop. Stop, emergency stop. So we've got the brake van there has collided with the S15. Whoops. There's the other dapole or airfix tanker, which is smashed into the parcels wagon. So we've got a right old mess going on again. So Alan and the Loft, that's the end of it for today. I'm going down into the kitchen to finish off my couplings. Yeah, in a right old mess today. So that's the end result for today. I know I can better this, but for now that will have to do. So yeah, that's okay. I filled this up with a load of old bushes and things. That bit really is quite plain, but I think I'll leave it like that. It's easy to overdo it. Some of these greens are a bit overpowering, but as there's hardly any of it, I might be able to just pick some of this off if I don't like it. But Alan going to the kitchen to do some coupling sticking. See you down there. That's Alan out. Well, I'm back down in the kitchen. This is it for this video. I've got to replace these kind of couplings with the big D's. I think that one is I suppose this started life with what am I trying to think of? Hornby Meccano. It's even got a patent number stamped on it. This is something, I'm not sure what that is. But so that's my job for tonight, is to araldite on 4 big D's. These are the metal big D's. One's a bit rusty, so I'll have to give him a bit of a polish up. So that's Al in the kitchen. I bid you good night because it's about 11 o'clock. I'm just going to have a beer. Here we go, listen to this. There we go. Oh, and well, I'm signing off. Take care. This is my freight rake. I'll start of it. That's the horse box that have one Hornby coupling on it. One of these has got no couplings, and the other one had yeah, that kind of continental thing. And then hopefully, if I've got time, I'll paint these roofs, because these roofs are very silver. So it's Alan in the kitchen. Take good care. Hope to join you again very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. If you can share, please do, because I can't. I don't know what it's all about. So if you can share, please do. Take care. Alan in the kitchen, bidding you all good night. Bye bye. Out.